Good morning, students. In the previous class, we are already completed how to share the information between MS Word and MS Excel. Okay, in the concept of integration, which means sharing the data between the different Office packages. Okay, we are already shared the information between MS Excel, which is a spreadsheet package, and MS Word, which is a documentation software. Okay, now today in the we are discussed about the MS Word to MS PowerPoint. How we are going to share the information in between the MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Okay, let us assume that we are creating a presentation in the MS PowerPoint. Okay, it is a PowerPoint, it is a presentation software or a multimedia software which uses number of medias such as text, audio, video, animation. Using all these mediums effectively, we are going to create our own presentations. Just assume that you are creating a presentation in the MS PowerPoint. Okay, when you are creating a presentation, okay, information is required. Assume that the information required to create that presentation is available in the MS Word. Okay, assume that you are creating a presentation about MES College of Commerce. Okay, in that presentation some information related to the library or office or student performance is already there in the MS Word. Then it is not required to retype it again in the MS PowerPoint presentation. Okay, we can just share that information or bring the information from MS Word to MS PowerPoint. Okay, without retyping it, without wasting the time, it is possible to bring the information from MS Word to MS PowerPoint. Okay, by using different methods of integration, that is either by using the copy and paste method or by using object embedding method or by using the object linking method, we can share the information which is available in the MS Word to create the presentation in the MS PowerPoint. Okay, now let us see how to complete this task. Okay, the task is to create a presentation in the MS PowerPoint. Information required to create that presentation is already there in the MS Word file. How to bring that information in MS PowerPoint, okay, so that it is possible to save some time. Okay, now first what we have to do is, okay, if the information is already there in the MS PowerPoint file, okay, you have to convert that MS PowerPoint MS Word file. Okay, if we have to convert that MS Word file as the outline file. Okay, in the MS Word document is having number of views. Okay, we have to convert the view to the outline view. Okay, you know that different views of MS Word: normal view, outline view, print layout view, like this different views of the Word file are available. You have to change the file view to the outline view. Okay, I think most of you know the method or steps to convert the views in the MS Word. For that, what you have to do is first we have to open that particular file in the MS Word. For that, we have to press Ctrl O or go to the open dialog box. From that open dialog box, you have to select a particular file. Okay, from this particular drive. For example, if it is in the D drive, go to the D drive. From D drive, select a particular folder. In that particular folder, you have to select the file where that information is available. When it opens, you have to change its view. Normally, the Word file view or the default view is the normal view. We have to change it to the outline. Okay, how to do that? After opening the file, go to the view tab. In the view tab, you have to click on outline. Okay, different views are displayed there: normal, outline, print layout, like that. Different view names are displayed. From the view tab, you have to click on the outline. Okay, if your file is having different headings, then those headings are converted into the level 1, level 2, like that. Okay, for example, I will give you example, okay, how the information is changed to the outline. Okay, for example, if integration is the chapter, integration, it is displayed in the more size, it is having the bigger size than the subheading. Main heading is having the uh, more font size than the subheadings, and normal text is displayed in the smaller size than the subheading. Okay, the level 1 is the chapter title, then subtitles level 2, normal text level 3. Okay, like this information is arranged in the different levels. Okay, for example, say font size 20 fonts for level 1, font size say 16 for subtitles, and for normal text it is 12, like that. Okay, in the MS Word file, I think you know heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, like that information is arranged in the different levels. In your file, when you open the Word file, okay, or the information which is required to prepare the PowerPoint presentation, when you open that file, if that file is having different headings, then automatically it is converted as level 1, level 2, level 3. As I told, okay, chapter title integration is called as level 1, subtitles, okay, integration between Word to PowerPoint, it is displayed in the level 2, and normal text explanation is displayed in the level 3, like that information is arranged in different level automatically. Otherwise, if the information is not available, if you want to prepare a new outline file, what you have to do is first we have to press the Control N or click on the new button. Okay, new window opens. In that new window, you have to select the labels and then type. Okay, for example, when you press Control N, a new Word window opens. In that new Word window, you have to select the size first. Okay, the first title integration that you have to type in the level 1. Okay, select level 1 and then type integration. Okay, then you have to type the subtitle. Say subtitle is Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, that you have to type by selecting the level 2. Okay, and the explanation related to that with normal text that is appears in the level 3. By selecting level 3, we have to type the next text paragraph. Okay, like that. If a new file you want to create, these steps we have to follow. Okay, after creating a Word outline file, we have to save it. How to save a Word file? That is the simple thing, okay, that you are already studied in the previous semesters. What you have to do is from the file menu, we have to click on the save option. Save dialog box appears. You have to give a particular name for that outline file, and then we have to save. Okay, these steps we have to follow. Or Control S you can press, automatically the save dialog box appears. By giving a name to your file, you have to save that particular file. Okay, once your Word outline file is ready, then we have to go to the PowerPoint. Okay, our task is not to create a Word file, our task is to create a presentation. Okay, that presentation we have to create in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, after creating this Word file, we can minimize it, close it, no problem. Okay, even if you close it, it is already saved, isn't it? No problem, you can close that particular file, then go to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, open the Microsoft PowerPoint. In the Microsoft PowerPoint, you have to create a new presentation, isn't it? In the already existed presentation, we are not inserting the data. Assume that we are creating a new presentation there. What you have to do is you have to click on the new slide button. Okay, you are creating a presentation, okay, from scratch. So what you have to do is from the you have to click on the new slide button directly. Don't click on the new slide button. Okay, from in the home tab in front of new slide, there is a drop down arrow mark. You have to click on that drop down arrow mark. When you click on the drop down arrow mark, you have to select from Word outline option, slide from new word line option. Okay, Word outline option. Okay, new slide. When you click on the drop down arrow mark from Word outline, that option you have to select. Then what happens? Okay, the dialog box appears. Insert Word outline dialog box. That particular dialog box is called as insert Word outline dialog box appears. From that insert Word outline dialog box, you have to select your file name. Okay, a word file is already created and it is saved with a particular name. You know that file name and you also know the location where it is stored in the computer memory. Then you have to browse, or you have to search and select that particular file. For example, if it is in D drive, double click on D drive. In the D drive, select a particular folder. In that particular folder, select the file name and click on the OK button or insert button. Okay, insert word outline dialog box it is. So it is not the command button is not OK here. It is insert command button. When you click on the insert command button, automatically number of slides are created. Why the number of slides are created means, in the word outline file, okay, there are different levels, isn't it? In your file, assume that your file is having say 10 pages. Okay, in that 10 pages, okay, we are arranged the text in different levels, isn't it? Some text is in level 1, some text is in level 2, and some more text is in the level 3. Here in Microsoft PowerPoint, when you import or insert that word outline file here, automatically number of slides are created. Okay, how many number of slides are created? It is equal to number of level 1 headings in the word outline file. Okay, as I told, okay, the main headings are displayed in the level 1, isn't it? Integration is displayed in the level 1, then subheading MS Word to MS PowerPoint is displayed in the level 2, normal text explanation is displayed in the level 3. Okay, how many number of slides are created in the MS PowerPoint file? It is equal to the number of level 1 text in the word outline file. Okay, automatically so many number of slides are created. Then what about level 2 and level 3 text? Okay, they are automatically arranged or stored in that particular slides. Okay, for example, in the integration is level 1 means one slide is created. Below that, automatically level 2 is inserted and explanation for this particular level 2. Level 3 is also inserted in the slide number 1 only. If again another level 1 appears here, okay, say second chapter SQL is the level number level 1. Okay, SQL comes here, which is the level 1 means another slide is created. Okay, then in that SQL, if a subheading appears, that is comes in the second slide only. Explanation to that normal text comes in the second slide only. Like that, number of slides are created. It is equal to the number of level 1 text. Level 2 and level 3 text are inserted in the corresponding slides. Okay, by using this method, what happens? Okay, it is possible to share the information at once. All the informations are transferred from Word to PowerPoint. Okay, and number of slides are created here. But as I told, MS PowerPoint is a multimedia software. Here we are not just using the slides. Here we can effectively make use of the colors, isn't it? Background colors we can change, we can insert the graphics, we can insert the audio files and video files and even animations. That is, the movement of the text and graphics is called as animations, isn't it? All that is not provided automatically. Okay, just the text is now transferred from Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. After transferring that, after creating the number of slides with text information, what we have to do is, making use of MS PowerPoint features, we have to arrange those slides. Okay, we can change the background colors, or we can apply the textures. Okay, you can apply different custom animations. Okay, you can insert the graphs or graphics, or you can insert the charts. Okay, all those things, or audio and video files as the background files. Okay, all these features of Microsoft PowerPoint also you can use, so that you can effectively present your ideas before the audience. Okay, by using this method, it is possible to share the information between MS PowerPoint to MS Word. Okay, once again, I will tell you the steps in simple words. What we have to do is, assume that the task is creating a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, but the information required to create that presentation is available in the MS Word. Okay, then what you have to do is convert that MS Word file first into the outline view. Okay, to convert it into the outline view, what we have to do is from the view tab you have to click on outline. Okay, if not already a text is available there, okay, if already the required text is available there, then what happens, that text is converted into different levels. Okay, how it is converted, the main heading is in level 1, subheading in the level 2, normal text in the level 3, like that the information is converted into the different levels. Okay, after converting into the different levels, okay, after creating into the creating a word outline file, we have to save it. How to save the file? Okay, for that we have to press Control S, give a file name. Okay, when the save dialog box appears, and save it. Okay, that word outline file is saved in the Microsoft Word into a particular location. After that, go to the PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint, we have to create a new presentation. For creating a new presentation, instead of clicking on the new slide option from the home tab, what you have to do is just click on the drop down arrow mark in front of that new slide option. Then you have to click on from word outline option. Okay, new slide from word outline option. Okay, then a dialog box appears. From that dialog box, what you have to do is you have to select the particular word outline file which is already created. You know the location, isn't it? Already you created and saved a word outline file, so you know the location where it is stored in the computer memory. So from the dialog box which appears, you have to browse and select the particular location. For example, go to the D drive. In that particular D drive, select the folder name. Okay, then you have to select the file name. Okay, where the information is available, and click on the insert option. Okay, automatically number of slides are created. Okay, number of slides are created in the PowerPoint presentation. How many number of slides created? It is equal to number of level 1 text in the word outline file. Okay, number of level 2 and level 3 uh, number of level 2 and level 3 text are automatically inserted into the corresponding slides. Okay, means if 5 level 1 text are available in the outline file, 5 slides are created. Level 2 and level 3 are inserted in the corresponding slides. Okay, for example, if integration is the level 1, one slide is created. Below that, level 2, MS Word to MS PowerPoint text appears, means it is inserted again in the slide number 1 itself. Explanation to this particular MS Word to MS PowerPoint, normal text, that is also inserted in the slide number 1. After that, if another chapter starts, if the second chapter is SQL, for that another slide is created. In that slide, explanation about that particular structured query language appears in the second slide. Thus, number of slides is equal to number of level 1 outline headings in the word outline file. Okay, using this method, it is possible to share the information between MS Word to MS PowerPoint using word outline option. Okay, thank you. In the next class, we will discuss about how to share the information or transfer the slides from MS PowerPoint to MS Word at once. All the slides can be transferred in one step using the integration methods. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class.